to that particular label. Okay, so go to is telling that when your condition is matched, it is going to that label. So it is a C programming provide an unconditional jump from go to a label statement in the same function. So now I define a program how the go to is working.
Sir, your voice break out.
Go to रा बुझी पारे तो
Yes, sir.
So now I run the file here. Enter the number. Voice break होची मोर.
No, sir, be clear ଅଛି ପୁରା.
Okay, enter the number whose table you want to print. Suppose I am passing here table is 5. I enter here. It is showing the multiplication table 5 into 1 5, 5 into 10 10. Okay, it is printing you all the multiplication table of 5. Now check here. So I am passing a value 5. तो 5 टा एटी स्टोर हला कोठी नॉम रे तापर एटी गोटे लेबल यूज करला टेबल एटा गोटे खाली लेबल गोटे पास करला तापर कोन हला ना मो एटी पास कली परसेंटाइल डी इनटू परसेंटाइल डी इक्वल्स टू परसेंटाइल डी माने एटी कोन शो करिवो ना फर्स्ट परसेंटाइल रे हमर नॉम रहिवो नॉम माने मु धर एंटर कली 5 रहिला सेकेंड परसेंटाइल रे केते रहिला ना 1 अछि 5 into 1 5 तो एटी 5 into 1 5 देखेला तापर एटी आई रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला आई रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला 1 टा हेगला 2 तापर कंडीशन एटी चेक हला 2 is less than equals to 10 yes 2 is less than 10 if 2 is less than 10 then go to table means it is coming to here. Then in percentile D is what is present na 5. Then in I which value is present 2. So 5 into 2 it gives you result 10. Then I value is again increment to 3. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. 3 is less than 10. Then go to table. So it is moving to this position. Okay, so 5 into 3 is now 15. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, without any kind of looping, so here we are not using any kind of looping. By using of go to label, we perform this multiplication table. So generally for performing the multiplication table, we are using any kind of looping. But here without looping, By using of go to statement, we write the program. They go to the next go to just a minute. Okay, so next I move to break statement. Okay. The next is break statement. The break is a keyword which is used if you want to stop your looping in between or before finish your looping. If you want to stop in any point, at that timing we are using break statement. The break is a keyword in C which is used to bring the program control out of the loop. The break statement is used inside the loop or switch statement. The break statement break the loop one by one. In the case of nested loop, it break the inner loop first, then proceed to the outer loop. Okay, so first your looping is working. So before the loop is over, it is break that loop. Okay, so if I go for this condition, this example, then you can understand it. This is basically, I write this program to print from 1 to 10, but before it is printing from 1 to 10, we have to use the break statement. See that? So this is a program which is helping you 0, 0 is less than 10. Condition is true, so it is printing you 0. Then 0 value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 10. Condition is true, so it is printing you 1. So in this way, the looping is continue. But when your value is 5, so it is printing you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when it is 5, first it is showing you 0, 0 less than 10, condition is true, it is printing you 0. 0 is equal to 5, no? Then I value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 10. Condition is true, 1 is less than 10. Then it is printing you 1. 1 is equal to 5, no? Then 1 value is increment to 2. 2 is less than 10, no? Sorry, 2 is less than 10. Condition is true, then it is printing you 2. Now 2 is equal to 5, no? I value is increment to 3. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. The condition is true. Then it is printing you 3. 3 is equal to 5. No. Then again 3 value is increment to 4. So 4 is less than 10. Condition is true. It is printing you 4. Then 4 is equal to 5. No. Then 4 is increment to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Yes. 5 is equal to 5. When I value is 5, then it is break the statement. Is come out of the loop. Clear?
Yes, sir.
There is a break statement which is used to break the statement before stop or before loop is complete. Then we move to the next part, that is called as the continue statement. The continue statement in C language is used to bring the program control to the beginning of the loop. The continue statement skip some lines of code inside the loop and continue with the next iteration. Continue means, break means it is stop. Continue means when you are giving a condition, at that timing it is skip that particular statement. So see it. Just a minute. So here, if you notice that you are using continue statement. So continue is what? तो ये while loop रे मु continue यूज कले एटा मते 0 रु नेके 10 पर्यंत देखेबो किंतु देखो जोठी मोर वैल्यूटा 5 हबो से 5 वैल्यूटा के स्किप कर दो 5 वैल्यूटा को छाड़ी की आउ जहा रिमेनिंग वैल्यू रहला से मते शो करिवो माने मोर आउटपुट कोन आसीबो 0 1 2 3 4 5 टा को से छाड़ी दबो तापर 6 7 8 9 ये देखो मु 3 टाइम मु प्रेस कर देली देखो एटी कौन आसिला 0 1 2 3 4 किंतु जेतले देखो आई रो वैल्यू जोटी 5 हे गला से सेटा को स्किप कर देला बुझियला
Yes, sir.
okay, so it is continue statement is over. So in next class I will start with the function of C programming. Okay, so new chapter, the function of C programming. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Tuesday we start. Okay.